हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। So today we are going to see top 50 general knowledge question and answers for all exams. So without wasting your time, let's get started with question number 1. The chairman of the drafting committee of Indian Constitution was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The third largest country in Africa, Sudan. Jaundice is a disease of liver. When ice melts, its volume decreases. Discovery of India was written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Which is the highest civilian award in India? Bharat Ratna. Who is the only Indian to have won a Nobel Prize in Economics? Amrita Sen. The slogan "Do or Die" in Indian national movement was given by Mahatma Gandhi. Fatehpur Sikri is located in which state of India? Agra, Uttar Pradesh. Lothal is a historical site of Indus Valley Age. After leaving the Congress, Subhash Chandra Bose formed in 1939 his own party named Forward Bloc. Which of the following is a non-communicable disease? Diabetes. Which imaging instrument is used for diagnosis of kidney stone? Tomography. And if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to watch my latest videos. So here is 14th question. Excessive intake of alcohol causes liver cirrhosis. Three pair of legs. Veer Bhumi is associated with Rajiv Gandhi. The major cause of growing unemployment in India is rapid growth in population. Who invented revolver? Samuel Colt. The oath of office to the president is administered by Chief Justice of India. Mushrooms are fungi. Who gave the prefix Mahatma for Gandhiji? Rabindranath Tagore. Which part of the eye is transplanted by donor? Cornea. The book Train to Pakistan was written by Khushwant Singh. The age of retirement of a Supreme Court judge is 65 years, and in case of High Court judge, 62 years. Jhulan Goswami is associated with cricket. Who introduced the permanent settlement of Bengal? Lord Cornwallis. Where is the Zojila Pass located? Ladakh. The Pongal festival celebrated in which state of India? Tamil Nadu. A black shirt movement called fascism was started in Italy by Benito Mussolini. Golden Pen of Freedom Award is associated with journalism. Bihu is a famous dance of Assam. Which amongst the following is not a member of SARC? Indonesia. The Raniganj coalfield is located in West Bengal. Which state of India is surrounded by three sides by Nepal, China and Bhutan? Sikkim. Sanchi Stup is in which state of India? Madhya Pradesh. The famous Lingaraja temple is situated at Bhubaneswar. Which is the largest economy in the world? United States of America. Max Muller was a famous German scholar. Which of the following newspapers had been edited by Gandhiji? Navjeevan. Bhakra Dam is on the river Sutlej River. A real image produced by a camera. Which scientist is called the father of atomic energy in India? Homi Jehangir Baba. What is the other name of India mentioned in our constitution? Bharat. Which acid is produced when milk go sour? Lactic acid. The color of a star is an indication of its temperature. Insomnia is associated with sleeplessness. Federation Cup is associated with football. Gandhiji's Champaran movement was for solving the problems of indigo workers. Who has scored the highest number of centuries in Test cricket? Sachin Tendulkar, 51 centuries. Tora Bora Hills are located at Afghanistan. So guys, I hope you like my videos. So do like, comment and share to my videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to watch latest videos of my channel. So आज के लिए बस इतना ही, मिलते हैं अपनी नई वीडियो में.